This car belongs to my brother's friend. Lives in Sacramento. My brother knows him personally. So he asked me to build a rock slider for his truck. And I did. I built what we call a simple design. I call it the simple design. Issue with this truck is that there's 3 legs. Each legs have different length. See, that's the angled leg. This is the shortest leg, it's in the middle. And this is the rear leg, that's the second longest leg. So long, short, long. So that's what I have to contend with. Okay guys, so this is what's going on. I've tried to maximize the slider to the best as I can in regards to the body. You'll find that here the body widens up, narrows down to this edge, to the front door here, and goes here, and then widens up like this. It's got a lot of curve. So the problem that I'm running into is making the slider fit nicely and beautifully. That's the problem. She's done. You can see she fits up very, very nicely here. And I haven't painted it because the owner says that he will paint it. The owner is my brother's friend. So this is how she looks like. And this is how she looks like on this side. This is how she looks like underneath. Okay. And this is how she looks like here. Does not stick out too much. It sticks out just enough to protect the car and to give whatever it is to the tire. Okay. And of course, if you jump on it, good luck. You can never bring it down. cùng nhau cho thông của cú tàu của con lưu va chỉ cho